Hey everybody, it's me Sergio with Mobility Direct, and today we're talking about something we've really been excited for. The fact that Pride Mobility just released 3 new carbon fiber folding power wheelchairs. As part of their 2026 lineup, it includes the Jazzy 27, the Jazzy 27X, and the Jazzy Carbon HD. Now, if you've been following our channel, you know this didn't catch us by surprise. We attend annual trade shows and we get early access to new products before they hit the market. In this video, we're gonna break down what makes each model different, who they're best suited for, and what you should know before deciding which one is best for you. Now make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm also gonna put a hidden message on the screen. If you spot it, it's gonna give you access to a discount code that you can use to purchase any of the models in this video, only valid for the first 20 customers that spot that hidden message, so pay attention. All right, let's dive right into things. Now, Pride Mobility didn't just release these power wheelchairs by accident. They're responding to a big shift in the industry. People want lighter, stronger, and more portable power wheelchairs without sacrificing comfort, durability, or support. Each of these models fills a very specific role, and choosing the right type really just boils down to your body type, how you travel, and how you plan to use your chair every single day. Let's start with the first model, the Jazzy 27X. This model uses a vertical X-frame folding design, similar to a manual wheelchair, that makes it incredibly easy to fold, store, and lift into a vehicle. The Jazzy 27X is designed for smaller riders with a 275-pound weight capacity. It uses individual footrests rather than a single footplate, which helps keep the chair compact and lightweight. The joystick controller can be mounted on either the left or the right side, and it's a quick disconnect design, so repositioning it is simple. This chair is ideal if you travel frequently, rely on a caregiver, or want the fastest, most compact option available. If portability is your top priority, the Jazzy 27X is a strong candidate. Now let's talk about the Jazzy 27, which I think is the most well-balanced option of the 3. The Jazzy 27 supports up to 300 pounds and features a 17-inch wide seat, making it a better fit for a wider range of users compared to the 27X. Unlike the 27X, this model uses a single solid footplate, which provides more stability and comfort for longer daily use. It also includes front suspension, which makes a noticeable difference in the ride quality, especially over uneven surfaces. Now, just like the other models, the joystick can be mounted on either side and it's easy to adjust or remove. If you want a lightweight folding carbon fiber power wheelchair that checks all the boxes, the Jazzy 27 is definitely a great option to consider. Now let's talk about the Jazzy Carbon HD, because this one is a big deal. The Carbon HD supports up to 400 pounds, which is extremely rare for a folding carbon fiber power wheelchair. Not only that, it features a 20-inch wide seat, an ultra-wide footplate, full front and rear suspension, making it one of the most comfortable and stable options in the lineup. This chair also uses a powerful brushless motor, and the joystick features an LCD display, and it can be mounted on either the left or the right side. For heavier riders who previously had to choose bulky, heavy, non-portable chairs, the Jazzy Carbon HD finally offers strength, comfort, and portability in one design. And it weighs just over 30 pounds, which is mind-blowing. Now, all 3 of these options feature sleek, modern designs with premium finishes and multiple color choices. They don't look medical, they look modern, and that's something a lot of people appreciate. Now let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: support after the sale. All 3 of these Jazzy models include an industry-leading warranty along with a 1-year in-home repair plan at no extra cost. That means if you have a warranty-approved claim, we dispatch a technician to your home. You don't have to go anywhere, and that's awesome. This level of support is a huge reason why we're such strong advocates of the Pride Mobility brand. And by the way, Pride Mobility doesn't just make electric wheelchairs. They make mobility scooters, lift chair recliners, and accessories. They also make some off-road recreational scooters that are just awesome, and we have tons of videos for each and every single one of their products. If you want to learn more about them, I'll put the links in the description, and just check out our YouTube channel. It's chock full of review videos, comparison videos, DIY videos, and more. Now, if this is the first time you're considering purchasing, I highly recommend you take the time to watch our first time buyer's guide. That video will help you avoid common mistakes, make an educated decision, and prevent the frustration of having to return a chair that doesn't work out for you. Education up front saves time, money, and stress. So make sure you check out that video. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner if it is indeed the first time you're purchasing a power wheelchair. Now, before we wrap up, I just want to talk about our mission to give back to the disabled community. Part of every sale at Mobility Direct goes towards funding our mobility giveaway program. We donate mobility scooters and power wheelchairs to people in need, including disabled veterans and individuals who are stuck using manual wheelchairs and simply can't afford a powered mobility device. As this channel grows, we're able to give away more mobility products and help more people regain independence. When you subscribe, shop with us, or even just share our videos, you're helping make that possible. If you want help choosing between these models, give our non-commissioned sales experts a call or request a copy of our free product catalog. It has our latest products, tons of information about our company, and discount codes. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of the page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call our non-commissioned sales experts with the number below, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, as well as answer any questions you may have. Now, don't forget, somewhere in this video was that hidden message. Hopefully you spotted it, because if you did, you're going to get access to that discount code, only available to the first 20 customers. Well, that's going to wrap up the video for today. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thank you so much for watching our video and supporting our content. Your viewership means the world to us. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get notified when we release new videos in the future. Thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.